Fujifilm's beloved X100 series has long been a favorite for street, documentary, and everyday photographers who value portability and a classic design. With the rumor mill churning about the upcoming X-S100 VI, fans are excitedly speculating about the improvements and upgrades Fuji might bestow upon its venerable prime lens compact. So, what can we expect from it? Let's find out. The current X-S100V sports a highly capable 26-megapixel X-Trans APS-C sensor. Some whispers suggest Fuji may push this to 30 or even 36 megapixel in the Mark 6 revision, following the trajectory of their popular XT and X Pro models. However, others feel Fuji will retain the sensor resolution to maintain comparable high ISO noise levels rather than simply chasing more pixels, so I guess we'll just have to wait and see on this one.
Are you struggling to explain your idea? Your audience is not getting what you're trying to say. An animated explainer video is a perfect solution for you. Explainer video simplifies any complex ideas through engaging animations, transitions, voiceovers, and meaningful scripts, which all together create a fun experience for any viewer. And here comes 10 Studio, a team of skilled professionals dedicated to creating engaging explainer videos. With over thousands completed projects, we have the expertise to create explainer videos that break down your message and connect with your audience. Get in touch with 10 Studio today.
This one seems more plausible since Fuji is well known for its artistic film simulation JPEG modes, and they often introduce new ones with each camera generation. We could see Acros Black and White make a comeback, along with further tweaks and improvements to Provia, Velvia, Eterna, and more. Rumors suggest we may even see an all-new film simulation make its debut. While not typically viewed as a powerful video camera, the X-S100V actually offers quite robust video specs, including DCI/UHD 4K, up to 30p, F-Log recording, and 1080/120p slow motion. Rumor has it that Fuji will expand the file bitrate/color depth to 10-bit 4x2x2, along with enabling 4K 60p to appeal to dedicated filmmakers. Some even dream of a 6K video, but that seems kinda unlikely in this form factor. We expect the classic 23mm f-stop 2 wide-angle prime lens to remain largely unchanged in the Mark 6 revision. However, Fuji may overhaul some of the glass elements to reduce flaring and increase sharpness towards the edges of the frame. They could also introduce new advanced elements to improve close focusing ability down to an astonishing 1 cm macro mode for detail-oriented shooters. One key feature noticeably missing from the X-S100 series is in-body image stabilization, or IBIS. This allows photographers to benefit from stabilization across all lenses. While IBIS may be unlikely due to size constraints, Fuji could include electronic image stabilization for a video similar to the X-S10. This might enable surprisingly smooth handheld video without needing lenses with OIS. Fujifilm often brings in the latest generation image processor even for the non-flagship cameras, so we anticipate the Mark 6 will feature the reserves of power needed to manage upgraded burst shooting, video formats, faster autofocus, and of course better in-body stabilization if included. The speed boost over the X100V could be noticeable. While already quite respectable at 350 shots per charge, one shortcoming that Fuji could address is bumping up the battery performance to achieve 400, 450, or even 500 shots on a full battery. This would further improve the travel-friendly nature of the X100 series. The X-S100V gained basic weather sealing when used with a filter adapter and filter, but photographers venturing to extreme environments often wish for a better reassurance. We may see upgraded sealing resembling Fuji's high-end models for added durability and confidence when out shooting in rugged conditions. For all the cutting-edge upgrades, we expect Fuji to retain what gives the X100 line its beloved charm: the tactile analog dials for key exposure parameters, the centered optical viewfinder, and the small yet ergonomic form factor emphasizing single-handed shooting, and of course, most importantly, the identity and heritage that comes with Fujifilm's iconic design aesthetic. Both newcomers and loyal fans alike await with bated breath. What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comment section down below. Consider subscribing for more content like this, and as always, thanks for watching.